Emma is a young girl. She lives in a small town. Today, she goes to the city with her family. In the morning, Emma gets into the car. The car is big and comfortable. She looks out of the window and sees many buildings. First, they arrive at a park. The park is green and quiet. There are many trees and flowers. Emma walks on the path and sees a small lake. She smiles and takes pictures. Next, they go to a restaurant in the city center. The restaurant is busy and bright. Emma eats a simple meal, chicken and rice. She drinks orange juice. She is happy. After lunch, Emma walks on the street. She sees tall buildings, cars, and people. The city is loud and full of life. Then, Emma and her family drive again in the car. They pass a big bridge and a shopping mall. Emma looks outside and enjoys the view. In the afternoon, they visit a small museum. Emma sees pictures and old objects. She learns something new. At the end of the day, Emma feels tired but happy. She goes back home in the car. The city lights shine in the night. Emma closes her eyes and thinks, "The city is amazing.